You're in the market for a folding fat tire bike and you see these online, you're like, well, which one? You know, this one's $19.99 and this one's $22.99. Well, what's the difference? Because really on pictures, you can't tell. So here I am to tell you the differences. And not one is better than the other. First, I'm going to start off with saying is that people just buy what they like. I'm just here to show you the differences, right? Because maybe you don't want to spend the extra $300, but I'm going to show you what the $300 can give you in the Taubikescape and the new Oiios Electo. Fantastic price, $19.99. 15.6 amp hour battery, fat tire, lights, signals. I mean, it's spectacular. It comes in some really great colors as well. And then your Taubikescape. So Taubik does come with a full year warranty with their batteries. The bikes are the same, it's a year warranty, but this is 6 months for battery, this is 1 year. And the reason I believe for that is because these are UL 2849 certified. These are UL, they're not the same certification, but these have LG batteries. They are name brand batteries, so that's what Taubik offers, okay? Just want to point that out there. So it's about components. So we'll start here. We've got name brand Kenda tires. We've got Velotrax tires on this one. I'm sure they're really just the same, but this is a name brand, okay? They're the same size. Suspension, I guess just giving it a visual, this one is better. Ryan from Taubik would tell me something different. Yeah, Vibey, it's a name brand, although this is Shooktel or Shocktech. Okay, they both have name brands, but I do visually think that these look a little bit better. Front and rear lights with brake lights, but you do have signal lights on the Electo. Not gonna lie, I think that's a great thing. Okay, so then we get down, actually let's start up here. Okay, so the screen, because it's UL 2849, is going to give you a lot more information as well, but it is harder to see, especially if you have eye sunglasses. This gives you just the basic information, but it's clear as day, so that's kind of nice. This is a better shifter. This is the trigger shift 7-gear Shimano. This is kind of like just the cheaper version. Again, not a big deal. Zoom hydraulic brakes. Emo does their own name brand hydraulic brakes, so that's good. You've got the throttle. For Taubik, they put the throttle and the power on the left side. That way your thumb is changing the gears on the right side. With the Electo, they have a pull throttle. Personal preference, which one do you like? Totally up to you. Taubik has a quick adjust for your handlebars, which means if you take that off, you can set that to exactly what you want. Really nice feature. This one doesn't. You have to get out your Allen key and start loosening there. Both of these go up. Okay, this one goes up higher because they've just allowed for more wire there. So again, if you're a taller person, you like your handlebars higher, then you probably want to go with this one. The frames are similar, but they are not the same. If you look closely, you will. Welding on this frame is nicer. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. They are nicer. This frame also, you can tell, is not one piece. It's got a weld right here. So this piece is then welded onto there. Okay, I don't know, after 10 years, maybe that's a concern, or if you're 300, 400 pounds, cool. It's not the big, it's just a small detail I wanted to point out. The locking system or the clip, like how to fold them, it is more secure on the Taubik. This one is a just kind of a plastic safety on that. Battery, again, that we know that's a name brand battery. That's going to definitely affect the cost of it. The discs are thicker on the Taubik, again, small difference, but the rear rack is also a lot nicer on the Taubik as well. It's all integrated, you know, the lights. Both they have the same function though. They have the same function. They have brake lights, but that is a bit of a cleaner light or cleaner look. But then you have the Electo and they have a longer fender. That's a bonus too. Who doesn't want a longer fender? I mean, it's pretty hard to get dirt in your butt from over here, but it's just something to point out. All right, I'm gonna fold them. I'll show you how they fold. Oh, and riding them. let me ride them now. And then I'll fold them down there. Because the torque of the battery matters, right? You can have a 750 motor, but it can perform the same as a Taubik motor that has a higher torque rating. So I'm on level 1. I actually like how soft this is. It's kind of hard to feel, to be honest. I'm gonna do it to 2. Woo! Good throttle. Okay, so this system is 9 levels as opposed to the Taubik having 5. So you got to hit the button a few more times to get the power. Oh, okay, it goes. I'm gonna change my gears. It's quick. Okay, let's take out the Taubik. And don't let a seat make your decision on a bike, by the way, because that's like the easiest thing you can change on a bike. See, I could just change the angle to my handlebars on the fly there. Didn't even stop my bike. Okay, so I am on the hardest gear. So let me... Oh, there's Frank. Level 1, they've really softened this, so I don't have much of an opinion. Like, they both take off softly, but they also have a lot of power, both of them. Actually, the brake handles are shorter on this one than they are the other one, so small little things. Anyways, they both drive the same. Like, they really do. Their takeoff the same, their power is the same. Obviously, I haven't done a really long ride on them, but obviously I like the shifter on this one, but they feel the same. And if you don't like the seat, change the seat, because that's, again, don't judge a bike by a seat, ever. That's the easiest thing you can change from a seat. Okay, let's do the folding. Up. That does come out nicely, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, you do want that to be a little bit hard to open. Yeah, see, it also doesn't sit on the center stand very well. Dasha. Okay, so Dasha, thank you. Dasha. Oh, well, it sits on the stand when you do it the right way. Okay, that's really nice. Now I'll go do the other one. Sorry about her barking. I just got to fold this for the video and then I'm done.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, there's no folding pedals on that one. Didn't even notice. Doesn't have folding pedals. See, small things, but they matter. Oh, that's tough. But listen, you don't want that coming undone, do you? Oh, like that's buttery. Come on. That's my word of the season. Is butter. This butter's good. Oh, shut up, dog. Dasha. Oh, that's why I never do these on video. Fuck. Sorry, Ryan, I'm not doing you justice here. You know, I really didn't do well at this one, and I didn't do it justice. Ta-da! They fold the same. They're always awkward. Anyways, that's your comparison. Thanks for watching.